Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be working with our registration page. This means we'll be mastering it as well like we did for our login page. So let's start our work. If I hit register route, register, press enter, look at here, our current design of the front end is like that. So we have to replace it with our own custom template. So what I'll do, I will open my HTML template of the front end. Let me open it. So inside this folder I have front end template. Open this one and we have to find the sign up HTML here. As you can see, the sign up HTML. Open this one and look at here, this will be our registration page, right? Okay, so let's do it then. The file name is signup.html. We can go to our code editor. I can close this up for now, close this one also. Let's go to resource view and here we have front end template. From there we have to find a sign up. Here as you can see we have the signup.html, right? Now from here we'll be not copying everything, as you know. We just need the section which I mean the sign up section and the breadcrumb section. If I go to front end again, look at here, we have a breadcrumb here and this is our main section. We need just this two. Okay, so we have this section, class this, we don't need that. We have the navbar, we have the menu area, then reservation, we don't need that either. Then we have the breadcrumb. As you can see, we have a command also. Then we have the sign up portion, just command this one, I mean class this one, and this one will be just copying this two section. Just copy it, that's it. Now what I'll do is let's go to the auth. Inside the view folder we have this auth folder, right? Open this one and here you will find the register.blade.php. Just open this one. Here we have the default codes from Laravel Breeze. After this code, first of all let's comment this out. Just comment this entire thing like that. Now come to the bottom. Now what we will do, we have to extend our master blade, our front end master blade, which is inside the front end layouts master.blade.php. and if you recall, previously we created a snippet for extend code, right? We just have to add f underscore layout init. Sorry, just fade out. Okay, so it was f underscore layout init. So press enter. Look at here, we got our scaffolding. So what it is doing, it is basically extending the master blade. Here as you can see, the path is front end layout master, and here we have the section content where we will be putting our all the copied code, right? And yeah, we are good to go. Now if I go here at our front end, refresh this page and look here, we're getting our design, right? Perfect. Okay, so first of all, what I'll do in the sign up case, I'll be linking my images. It will look a little bit more better. Look at here, in our main design we have these background images and all. For now we'll be adding this static image. Don't need to worry, we'll be making some feature at our backend for changing this background image as well. For now let's link the static image here. Let me find the background images. Not here, let's go to top. Here as you can see, we have a style tag and we have a background tag here. Just select these portions, curly braces, wrap it with first bracket, quotation mark. Then all of our asset files for the front end are inside a front end folder in the public. So we have to add the front end here, and here we will add asset. That will do the job. If I go here, refresh this page, look at here, we're getting a background image, and also I'll be adding the breadcrumb image as well. So let's select this one, front end slash, make it asset. Let's go here, refresh this page. Okay, so we're getting our front end, I mean background images. Fine. Now we have to work with our inputs. Obviously we have to make these inputs dynamic. I mean in our original template, in the Breeze template, these inputs are already dynamic. Look at here, we have the name input, we have the email input, password, and the confirm password. So we'll be using this course as our reference, and we'll be making out this static inputs as well as dynamic. So let's start our work. Let's scroll a bit. First of all, we'll be starting with our name input. Look at here, we have a name input here. Let's go to top, and what I'll do is I'll copy this entire div, name div. Let's copy it, and let's go at the bottom here. After this name, I'll be pasting the code as a reference. We'll be removing it, as you know, after completing our work. Okay, so let's do it then. Our main input is this one. They are using a component. In our case, we are just directly adding our HTML. It's quite a same, don't need to worry. Let's see what they are doing here. They're using class, we don't need that. Here we have a name, so we need the name. So for our name input, the name will be name. That's fine. Then here they're using value, so we'll be using also the value attribute. And inside of it, look at here, they're using the old function. We'll be using the same, and we'll be putting our field name inside of this old function. That will do the job. Then at the third, as you can see, they have this error component as well, which will basically show the errors. In our case, we will be using the toaster error as we did for our logging page. Got it? So we don't need that either. So that's it for the name field. I will just remove this div, we don't need that one anymore. After that, we have the email address. So for the email, let's go back to the top. Here we have the email address portion. Just copy this one. Let's go to bottom again. Here is the email. We'll be checking out everything again. Let me see. We have the ID. We don't need the ID. We need the name actually. So I'll copy the name and paste it here. The type will be email as well, and we will add a value. Just copy this portion, paste it here like that. Make sure you wrap this function with curly braces, otherwise it will not execute. And that will be for our email. Remove this portion. Let's go to top again. Email. After that, we have the password. We have the main password and we have the confirm password. I guess I'll be copying both of them. Just copy it, scroll a bit. Here we have our main password. Here is our confirm password. After that, we have the login button. Anyways, let's put our code here. Okay, so this portion is for the password field, and this is the confirm password field. So first of all, let's work with this one. The type will be password. Look at here, for our password is password field type is already password, so we don't have to worry about it. Then the name will be password as well, so let's put it here. After that, we have the required. We don't need that one for now, and we have this message and other stuff. We don't need it. Just remove this div, and then we have the confirm password. We'll be doing the same. The type will be password. So look at here, our input already the type is password. The name will be password confirmation. So just copy the name. We are using the same name. Make sure you are using the same name, otherwise the fields will not work as it should, right? And rest of the thing will be okay. We can just remove this portion. That's it. Okay, let me check it out. Let's go to top, and do we have any other stuff? I guess not, so we can just remove this entire comment out code. Oh yeah, I forgot about the form. Look at here, we have to add this URL in the form, I mean in the action, which will be route register. Just copy this action. Let's scroll a bit, and here is our form. Let's add the method first. It will be a post method. Paste the action, and here we are getting an error. Make sure you are adding closing and ending quotation mark well. And as we'll be using the post method, obviously we have to add here CSRF, otherwise we will get CSRF token error. Okay, so for now everything seems fine. I can just select all of these codes and remove them. We don't need them anymore. Okay, so it seems everything is set. Let me see. Let's go to front end, refresh this page. Okay, no error so far. That's a good sign. Now here we have some social icons as well, so I'll be just removing those, as we'll be not implementing this social login. Remove it, refresh. Yeah, it seems fine. Now let's try to add some random values here and check it out if it's work or not. So I added a name and an email, and if I add some random password, if I don't add any kind of confirm password, let's click on login and look at here. We're getting our error message at the toaster because we implemented the toaster at our master.blade.php. In there we are looping errors. If you remember, if I go to code editor and open the master blade of the front end, here it is. Look at here at the master blade at the bottom. In the script tag, what we are doing, we are dynamically grabbing all of the validation error from the PHP side, or you can say Laravel side, then we are looping it, right? And we are showing the errors at the toaster message. So now from now what will happen, no matter what kind of validation error we will get from Laravel, we can see all of those validation errors at our front end. We don't have to add any kind of code for see the error messages. This dynamic code will do the job. Okay, and it will better if I add a command here, though I'll be separating this global script. Basically this is a global script, right? This script will available to all of our pages, all of our front-end pages. So I'll be putting this sort of stuff at a separated file, but for now it is fine. I can add a command here actually, so I'll be adding here show dynamic validation message. That will do the job for now. Okay, so that's it. Let's go back, refresh everything, and we'll try to create an account. Okay, what I'll do, I will use this extension fake filler for fill everything. It will give us just a random data, and here we will add register instead of login. For now, just click here. Let's see if it's work or not. Look at here, we redirect to our user dashboard page. That's mean our logging system is, register system is working perfectly. Let's log out and we'll be making some tweaks. First of all, let's go to register route, register. Let's change the button name. It will be register, not the login. This one actually. So register. If I go to front end now, refresh this page. Okay, now our button name is changed to register. Fine. Here we'll be adding our login links. So let's go back to the code editor, and here we have href. We're putting here route login, like that. If I now go here, refresh this page, fine. If I click on login, it will take us to the sign in page, or you can say login page, right? And here we have another link which is create account as well. If I click here, it is not working, so we have to add our registration link here as well. So let's go here. What I'll do, I'll open the login blade from here and scroll at the end. Here we have create account link. I'll be putting here route register, like that. Now if I go to front end, refresh this page, click on this account, create account button, and look at here, I am at the sign up page. So that's it for this video. Our register page also now mastered completely. Now we need to work a little bit more on our this login register stuff. Like we have another page which is forget password page, we have to master it as well. Then there is reset password page as well, so we have to master it also. So we'll be seeing those in our next video. That's it for this video. I hope you understand, and I'll be seeing you at the next one.